Now hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another video. So in the last Python tutorial, I taught you how to make a simple chatbot using Python. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how to make a simple calculator in Python. So I have opened up a new workspace on my Windows 7 machine in PyCharm. So you just press new, you just right click over here, new, and a new Python file. I already created it, so let's get right into the video. So to make a nice calculator without using any GUI, no tkinter, only on terminal, follow my steps. And this is the first part of the code. This is the add part, so it defines to add. This part is defining subtraction. This part defines multiplication. This part defines division. It's time to go to the next part of the code. Now we have to use x from this x we have to take and type in x is equal to int input, then type in enter your first number, and then y from here. So y would be int input, enter your second number. Important to note that you have to type in int input. For x and y, it should be int input, so it only takes an integer input. If you type in normal input, you can type in some gibberish and then still it works. So you have to use int, which uses integer, which means that only numbers can be inputted here. If you type in something else, it will just show an error. And then in the next line, you have to type in op, which means an operator, or you can just type in operator is equal to normal input, now no int. Operator would be input, enter your operator. And now this is the second part of the code. Now let's get into the third part of the code, which is if operator would be plus, then we have to print x plus y. Then elif operator would be minus, then a column, then you have to type in print x minus y. Then elif operator equal to multiply, and then a column, and then you have to type in print x multiplied by y, and then elif operator is equal to divide and column, and then a column, and then print x/y. I'll just copy this one. I'll just copy this, Control C, and then you have to type in, and then you have to just do the same thing, just do add and then print x plus y, then again, then here would be subtract and then print x minus y, and then Control V again to paste, multiply, and then you have to do x multiplied by y, and then Control paste, Control V, and then divide, and then the same, print x/y or x divided by y. This is the third part of the code, and then you have to just type in else print invalid operator. Please try again. So this is your calculator. Invalid operator. Please try again. This is your operator, and then now I'll just tell you how this works. This part defines the add function, so define add x and y. So this does the adding process. Same goes for this. This is x comma y for subtraction. Then this is subtraction part. This is a multiplication part. This is division part. This part shows the input system. So x from this, x from this is here now. So x is equal to integer input, your first number, and y is second input. And then this is the operator, which means add, subtract, multiply, divide, or plus, minus, star, and slash. So this is the operator, would be normal input, and then enter your operator. I'll just change this to double inverted commas instead of single. This is the third part. If operator would be plus, then print x plus y. Elif, which means if not this, then this. So if not this, then minus, so print x minus y. If not minus, then star, which will be print x multiply y, and this is divide, and it goes same onwards. So this is just this part only with alphabetic. So this is the code, and then else print invalid operator, please try again, which means if the input operator is none of these, then it will tell you to try again because it is an invalid operator. So this is how it should work. And then I run this, and then it should show enter your first number 12, my second number 55, and then I want to multiply. So 55 times 12 is 660, correct? And then if I run this again, let's say minus 12 and 12, and then I want to add. So answer would be 0. Keep in mind that if you run this, again, I'll just show you and get some random number. And if you type in add like this, it will show an invalid operator because here you specify that A would be capital. So if A here is not capital, it will show invalid operator. Please try again. So you have to specify again using elif operator would be add, then print x plus y like this. Now if I run this again and 12 2, and then I do this, then it adds perfectly. So you can just add on to this code, and this is just it. This is the calculator I just taught you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like, subscribe to my channel, and go like and see my other videos. They're fun to watch. And in the description, I'll be showing a link to Discord Please click on that to join my Discord server to get some more updates about the video I'll be posting. So join my Discord server to know about the next video. Until then, again, subscribe to my channel, like, share these videos, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.